It over to ABC6 Storm Tracker meteorologist Kelly Bates as we take a look at some visibility obscuring fog. Kelly?
Friend, if you were on top of one of those skyscrapers looking down, this is what you would see. So you can actually see more, of course, at the ground level. So yeah, visibility is way down across the region. We're finding it frequently less than a mile. That is the case right now at TF Green, also into New Bedford at 3/4 of a mile. We're down to half-mile visibility in Westerly, and we are less than 1/4 of a mile out on Block Island. We do have a dense fog advisory that is in place for those areas mentioned and more. And this is in place through 8 a.m. After that, we should see the visibility improve and the fog break up. So visibility of 1/4 of a mile or less, that is enough to make hazardous driving conditions. We have the potential for that. That's why the dense fog advisory has been issued. Now, our current temperatures are in the 60s. We're also finding dew points in the 60s. And dew points, once we get 60 or higher, that's when it starts to feel muggy here in southern New England. And it definitely does. Not that oppressive humidity, but it does feel a little on the sticky side. So satellite radar showing the clouds above the fog, and yep, they're there. We have some light drizzly type showers that are developing too, and they'll be with us too as we go through the morning. We have not one but two fronts that are off to the west. You'll see it pop on that last few frames. Right now it's entering Pittsburgh, the westernmost of the two. So here's how things are expected to go. As we go from morning to afternoon, we get rid of the fog, and we also have a chance of a light shower. But once we get into the afternoon/evening hours, that's when we will find the energy combined from these two fronts, just like that, and it moves over southern New England. After 5 p.m., that's when we bring into the forecast the chance of a thunderstorm. Any thunderstorms we see today are not expected to be severe, but there'll be thunderstorms. So again, keep an eye to the sky if you have any evening or late night plans. As we go to Tuesday, we're going to start with clouds and then clear. Should actually be a really nice day. If you sleep in, you'll miss the clouds, and you'll see yourself with a plenty of sunshine kind of day. Warm too. Tomorrow's highs are going to go in the lower 80s. Wednesday is going to start with sun, build in some clouds periodically in the afternoon, just through the heating of the day. We could pick up a little popcorny type storm, but not storm, but shower. But I think most of us are going to see Wednesday as actually a really nice and dry day. So our severe outlook for today does contain the possibility of thunderstorms, but again, none of them are expected to be severe. Before the front comes through this evening, we may pick up slight little totals just due to, again, a drizzly shower or two. But once that front goes through, we have the potential of seeing 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain in most areas. With that said, morning fog going to cloudy skies, chance of a shower, chance of a thunderstorm starting this evening. Your high today will be near 71. Looking down the road, we do find ourselves with increasing sunshine Tuesday, mostly sunny skies on Wednesday. Thursday, we bring in the chance of showers, and after that, things are looking super. A trio of suns for Friday, Saturday, and for Sunday. Cara?
I love